Welcome to English Podcast Academy. I'm Amy. Today's story is about something many people know very well: the first day at a new job. It's a little scary, a little exciting, and very real. You don't know where to sit. You don't know when to speak. You're not sure if you should ask a question or wait and see. Maybe your hands feel a little cold. Maybe you keep checking your reflection in the elevator door just to make sure your shirt is still neat. That's okay. That's normal. Everyone feels this way on their first day. We won't talk about learning or goals or becoming the best. Today we'll just follow someone through their first day, quietly, slowly, step by step. You'll hear simple things: a greeting, a smile, someone showing where the coffee is, a laugh in the hallway. These little moments are big. They shape how we feel. They help us belong. Listen closely to the way people speak, the tone, the pauses, the rhythm. Notice the small words they say. Here you go. No problem. Take your time. These words carry kindness and confidence. At the end, I'll explain the phrases, but for now, just listen. Let the story move like a quiet stream. Don't take notes, just feel the words. Are you ready? Let's begin. His name is Daniel. He's 26 years old, and today is his first day at a new office. He woke up early. Too early. It was still dark outside, and the city was silent. The streetlights were still on. The sky was heavy and gray. He sat at the edge of his bed for a minute, just breathing. He got dressed, checked his phone twice, then stood in front of the mirror. His tie wasn't perfect. His hair didn't feel right. But he didn't have time to fix everything. "Let's get this over with," he whispered to himself, forcing a half smile. At exactly 8 he entered the building. The lobby smelled like fresh coffee and new carpet. A few people passed by, typing on their phones, speaking in soft voices. The receptionist looked up and smiled. "Here for your first day?" He nodded. "Yes, Daniel." She typed something quickly, then handed him a badge. "You're with the marketing team. They're on the 3rd floor." In the elevator, he stood alone. The silence made him more aware of his heartbeat. He fixed his collar, then cleared his throat, even though no one could hear. When the doors opened, a woman was already waiting. She wore a yellow cardigan and a friendly smile. "You must be Daniel," she said. "Welcome aboard." He smiled back, a little awkwardly. "Thank you. I'm a little nervous." She laughed softly and nodded. "That's normal. Coffee's in the corner. You'll need it." Her voice was warm. It made him feel like maybe things would be okay. By 9:15, the team had gathered in a glass meeting room. Daniel chose a seat near the back. He didn't speak. He just listened. He took notes, nodded when others did. At one point, a man looked at him and asked, "Do you have any questions?" Daniel gave a small smile. "Not yet. Just trying to get the hang of it." At lunch, he stood near the edge of the cafeteria, unsure where to go. A woman with a sandwich waved him over. "Come sit with us. We don't bite." Daniel laughed. "That's good to know." They talked about small things: weekend plans, coffee brands, a show on Netflix. Nothing serious, but it felt like a start. The afternoon moved slowly. He read old project files, clicked through emails, and watched how people worked. At one point, Someone walked by his desk and said, "Hang in there. First days are always weird." Daniel nodded. "Yeah, but I'll survive." He meant it. At 5 sharp, he grabbed his bag and stood up. "See you tomorrow," someone called out. He turned back with a real smile this time. "Looking forward to it." Let's get this over with. This is something people say when they're about to do something uncomfortable, stressful, or boring. It shows that you're not excited, but you still want to finish it. Example, before a dentist appointment, you might say, "Let's get this over with," even though you hate going. It's not about excitement, it's about action, even with fear. Welcome aboard. This is a friendly way to say, "Welcome to the team," or "Welcome to our group." It makes new people feel included from the start. Example, on your first day at a new company, your manager might greet you with a smile and say, "Welcome aboard," like you're joining a ship or a journey together. Just trying to get the hang of it. This means you're still learning. You're figuring things out slowly. It's humble and honest. Example, on your second day of using a new computer program, someone might ask if you're okay. You could say, "Just trying to get the hang of it," to explain you're not a pro yet, but you're trying. We don't bite. This is a playful way to make someone feel relaxed. It means, "Don't be scared of us. We're friendly." Example, if a shy student walks into a classroom, the teacher might smile and say, "Come on in. We don't bite." It's not serious, it's warm and casual. Hang in there. This phrase is used to encourage someone. It means, "You're doing okay. Don't give up." It's gentle support. Example, if your friend is tired during finals week and overwhelmed, you might text them, "Hang in there, just 2 more days." I'll survive. This means things are hard, but you'll manage. It's not dramatic, it's realistic, and sometimes even humorous. Example, after a long, boring meeting, someone might ask, "How was it?" You could shrug and say, "It was rough, but I'll survive." Some days are loud, some are quiet, and some, like this one, are full of firsts. The first hello, the first coffee, the first nervous smile. Daniel's story was simple, nothing dramatic, no big speeches, just one quiet beginning, one soft step into something new. And inside that day, you didn't hear textbook English. You heard real English, the kind people use when they're tired, when they're trying, when they're being kind without even thinking about it. Not perfect, but honest, natural, and that's the kind that stays with you. So listen to this again tomorrow, or the day after. Let the phrases rest in your ears. Let the rhythm become familiar. You don't need to memorize, just notice and breathe. We'll be here with the next story, the next voice, whenever you're ready. Until then, thank you for listening. And remember, even the quietest stories can teach you the most.